Okay, today this is your Sew It Seamstress, and this is to show you a really good close-up of needle position on your serger, the proper position that they should be in. So first thing you want to do is make sure that your needles are in the highest position, and when they are, your upper looper, the hole in the upper looper, should be in line with the hole of that first needle on the right. Your lower looper, on the other hand, is down here, and it is all the way to the right of the upper looper. Now, turning it manually by hand as you watch, the upper looper goes to the right, the needles go down, and you can see when the needles are at their lowest position that the upper looper is perpendicular horizontally with it, and you continue to turn it, and as the needles come up, when the point of those needles is right at the top of the needle plate, let me do back this, your lower looper lines up with the hole of the upper looper. Let's see if we get that in there. You see how, let me lift up the presser foot. Actually, I'll take it off so you can see. You see how the point of the needles is right there at the needle plate? And you see here is the lower looper. Here's the upper looper, and the holes where the threads go through, they're lined up. Those two holes are lined up. This is, timing is perfect on this when these are lined up just like this. And you can watch. And that upper loop or lower looper comes across, and the upper looper is in front. Comes back. And as you can see, the lower looper and the upper looper are directly across from one another at this point. So I'm going to turn it one more time. You'll see them come back up to make that stitch. There you see the two threads meet each other, means the two loopers have met each other, and the needles are just above that needle plate. As long as all your needles look like this, with the needles just above the plate, then you're good to go. Hope this helps, everyone. Please